Welcome to Saad Educare episode 5 Venn diagram. Our question: Zara asked boys what they like doing when they are not at school. Answer the questions using the Venn diagram. Look, this Venn diagram has two circles. One is swimming, another one is dancing. And what about in middle portion is overlap both circle. This means 6 person are doing swimming, also dancing. So our first question, like, how many boys like both swimming and dancing? It should 6. Do not like dancing. So do not like dancing, what does mean? It means the boys are not like dancing. So look, swimming 12 plus 6, it means 18 boys like swimming. Dancing also similar, here is 6 plus 5. Why 6? Because 6 person like swimming, also dancing. Therefore you should including swimming part and also in dancing part. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Now do not like dancing. So it means this portion is not like dancing. This portion only for swimming. So this is 12. Do not like swimming. So this is 5. You cannot include this 6 because 6 swimming and also dancing. Now how many boys are there all together? So how many boys? This is 18 plus 11, what, 29. Is it true? No, because here overlap this 6. So our right answer is 12 plus 6 plus 5. So it means 12 plus 11, it means 23. 23 person are here all together. So thank you very much being with me. Please subscribe my channel if you think Saad Educare is helping you. Thank you.